Somewhere right now, in a dark and cold UK factory, a machine is about to fail. And all the signs are there. Sensor data, maintenance logs are showing it, but nobody is watching. By the time the operations manager finds out, it's already too late. The machine is cold, manufacturing line has stopped, money is being lost. This is a harsh reality to 68% manufacturing businesses in the UK. And the problem is not that there is lack of sensors or data, it's there. It simply doesn't get to the right person at the right time. On average, it takes between 4 and 6 hours before the fault is found out. And it costs a staggering 736 million to the UK economy every single week. What if there was a solution? What if there was a system that connects your legacy hardware running on Windows 98, as well as new systems, your enterprise data, into one cohesive platform? Meet Rob. Rob is your best colleague. He knows everything about your operations. He knows about all the maintenance, about all the issues that can become faults. Rob can schedule operations around variable energy prices so that you can run in the most cost-effective manner. Rob doesn't replace your colleagues. He empowers them with the data at the right time so that they can act when it's still possible to do so. Rob doesn't sleep. Rob is your virtual colleague that saves you money every single minute. On average, 50 to 70,000 pounds a year is recovered with the help of Rob by reducing your energy bills and maintenance costs. We have a great team at Rezylix behind Rob. Both commercial, technical aspects, building secure banking systems, as well as defining go-to-market strategies in the UK and the Middle East. And we could be not more excited about Rob and his future. So are our customers, where we have lots of paid pilots, as well as commercial partnerships where we'll get help to distribute our product in different markets. Now, there's only one last question left to answer. Would you like to meet Rob? Scan the QR barcode, fill in the form. We have built a platform and we're ready to deploy. We're opening 5 spots for free access to Rob, run in your factory. I'm Tadas, co-founder and CEO of Rezylix. Please welcome Marek and Isabel, who will join us for the questions. And we're ready to also take our demo at our stand where you can talk to Rob, explore our platform. Thank you.